Now, I want each of you to think of a special project that reminds us of springtime.
Oh! I'm going to paint a daisy marker for the garden.
That's a good idea.
Can I paint one too?
Whatever you like. Let's get busy.
Hey, Frank. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
What do you think of when you think of spring?
Birds! Let's build a birdhouse!
Out of ice cream sticks.
Will we have to eat lots of ice cream?
Only if we build a big one.
Okay, let's build a big one!
Frank and Fran, I have just the thing to help.
Maybe Mrs. J has some ice cream for us.
Yeah!
I enjoy ice cream myself from time to time.
Huh?
Here you go, boys.
Gee, thanks, Mrs. Jenkins.
Yeah, thanks a lot. That's really swell.
I'm going to spring into spring. Get it? Got it. I'm going to collect special spring things and put them in a spring scrapbox. What's your spring project, Yoko? I'm still deciding.